Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add link highlights to your Simplebooklet. This feature makes your links flash briefly when the page loads, helping your audience quickly notice clickable areas. You can even customize the color to match your brand or design style. So we're going to get started here today on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Advanced button. This is where you'll find the settings for link highlights. As you can see, we're going to go right here. We're going to make sure it's toggled on. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the pencil icon to edit it. And so from here, we are going to choose one of the default colors for our link highlights. Or you also have the option here to use a custom color from the color picker here. So any color, this way you can match your brand or anything like that, or the rest of your booklet. And yeah, for this one, I am going to go with blue. You'll get a little confirmation here that it was saved successfully. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and click on the done button. But just to show you guys again here, so when I click green, boom, it will show what it looks like on any of your links that you have. So again, I'm going to switch it back to blue, pops right there, and then we're going to click on done. And now your links will flash in the chosen color, drawing attention to interactive areas. And that's pretty much it. Link highlights enhance the attention and engagement stages of the reader's journey. By visually guiding readers to clickable elements, it makes navigation easier and encourages interactions like signing up, learning more, or making a purchase. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.